recording. See you shortly. Welcome to the London Bike Show 2024 at the Excel Centre. Now, if you're not going to get a chance to come to the show, I did a walk around for you, and this is in the old 360. I'm using the what do I call it? The Insta 360 X3 camera. So I got there early on the Friday morning, and I've had a wander around, and this is some of the stuff that you'll see at the show. So if you're interested in bikes, this is the place to come. However, having said that, I don't think it's a patch on the Birmingham show at the NEC. I was at that earlier in the year, and that was packed. It went across, I think, 3 halls. This is just in the one. A few of the manufacturers aren't there, but the ones that are there are very friendly. They got some stuff going on. There's a little bit of an arena. They have a bit of a race around, makes lots of noise. And that's the problem. That's why I'm doing a voiceover, because, funny old thing, you know, it's difficult to do a voiceover or to record in there because there's so much ambient noise in there. And I'll give you an idea of what the noise is like. I'll just put a bit on here now. So that's the sort of noise that you get in there. It's kind of really loud. And sometimes, particularly when they start up them bikes and they're racing round, you can barely hear yourself thinking there. But there are a few outlet stalls where you can buy gear. There's the bike track. If you do go to the show, go and have a look at the bike track guys. They're down as you come through, they're on the right hand side, just off of the food area. Have a chat with them. If you've got a bike and you care about it, you really want to put a bike track on it, I can thoroughly recommend them. That's an awesome bit of kit. What it does, if you move your bike without putting the ignition on, you get a phone call, you get a text, you get warned that it's moved. So, and it's a really good bit of kit, and they've got over a 90% success rate of recovery of stolen bikes they've got the bike track on. So there's quite a few sort of outlets there that are selling clothing, boots, gloves, helmets. There's quite a few of those knocking about in there. The manufacturers, the ones that I did notice that are not there, Ducati doesn't seem to be there, which I thought was odd. With all their new range coming out this year, I thought they would have been there. Royal Enfield is there. They've just got the white Himalayan. The black one is away somewhere doing something else. So get along there. Really, really nice, chatty people. They've got the new, which one is it? The Shogun. That's there as well. So you can have a look at that. And they've got a full range of the Bullets and the classics. So have a look at the Royal Enfields. Really good value for money. I've got my order in for my brand new 450 Himalayan, or Himalayan, whichever way you want to pronounce it. So I had a quick wander around the old the show there, and then I went round and had a detailed look around at some bits and pieces. Triumphs are there. CCM are there, I think. Yamaha. There's a few Hondas there. The Harley Davidsons are there. There's the guys from the bike track. So there you go. That's a bit of a heads up of what's at the show. So I had a quick wander around. It only took us 10 minutes. And then I went back. Oh, Yamaha's there as well. So if you want to go and see their new range, it's all there for you. So it was, when I was there, it was quite quiet, which was good. I like a quiet show. You'll be able to get around. But some of the bikes, there was queues to have a look at them. So there you go. There we're at the entrance on N4. So if you want to have a go along to the show, fill your boots. It's quite expensive to get in this year, £25. Personally, I didn't think it was overly worth it. But there you go. Oh, if you do go to the bike track and you've got a bike track, they've got a code and they'll give you 6 months free subscription. Oh, Kawasaki there as well. So there you go, and Suzuki. So you got some of the big boys there. So until the next show or whatever, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of motorbike stuff related coming this year. So until then, TTFN. Ta-ta for now.